Today I'm going to show you what exactly came out of my kitchen garden test. Although the tomatoes did fail, this squash just is producing like crazy. 2 months, 95 plus temperatures just took a toll on these tomato plants. The zucchini in the shade, it didn't do very well either. The carrots are still doing really well. And then the beans I planted, they're starting to grow. The biggest surprise is the squash. The zucchini cash machine has done well all throughout the heat. I do have to pick them small or they kind of get deformed. As you can see, the bottom here is a lot larger than the top. So I just pick them early and they just keep producing. It's just a giant plant. It just keeps growing. One that didn't make it is the Tahitian melon, but most others in that same family called Cucurbits machata, they are thriving. My favorite tasting winter squash is the Seminole pumpkin. It does require a lot of space because they're planted clear to the other end of the garden. So if you do decide to plant in this family, it's very aggressive. The other one that I love, it tastes just like a zucchini. I pick it early. You can make it into a fall squash if you leave it on the vine. However, I've been having some trouble with them where they rot on the end. So I pick them early and just use them in place of my zucchini for recipes. This orange butternut, I've never tried it before, so I just can't wait to see what it's going to taste like. It's ready to pick. And it's growing pretty aggressively too. I've got another one all the way over here that's growing. Here's another. I'm starting to plan for vegetables to try in the fall garden, and I'm going to be testing quite a few. Let me know in the comments what you would like to see in the fall test garden.